In the heart of Australia, raging floodwaters swept a massive crocodile right into a quiet town. Locals were shocked as the predator swam through flooded streets, dangerously close to homes. Wildlife rescue teams rushed in, navigating treacherous waters to secure the stranded crocodile. After a tense struggle, rescuers safely restrained the crocodile, ensuring no one was harmed. The giant was transported to a safe location, miles from the flooded town. Thanks to the brave team, both people and the crocodile were safe.